Hey everyone, do you know what candlestick charts are and how to use them? In this video I'm going to explain you exactly what candlestick charts are, how to use them, what they look like, and what can you do with them, and what does it mean when you use them for trading. In this video I'm going to explain you, and they're very easy to understand, but they can look very scary if you don't know what they mean. And if you don't know what they mean and what they do, basically you're just trading in the blind. So in front of me I have a trading console open for expert option. In this video you can see right now that the chart looks like a line chart, but I will show you what a candlestick looks like, and compared to this line chart, what is the difference. So right now you can see that this line chart is building just straight lines up and down, and they're kind of live prices. So let's just go up to where it's at the moment. Just go, it's building the chart, but in this one you cannot see what is the high and the low for the day or that period. So let's just look at what a candlestick looks like. So this is what a candlestick looks like. I'm just gonna draw you here. So it's basically the prices are set over here. Okay, the prices are all over the place here, but it actually has 4 price points. So one price point is going to be at the top. The second price point is going to be where the body of the candlestick is. The third price point is going to be at the lower body, and the last one is going to be at the very tip of the stick. So you've got a stick in the middle right there. Okay, and this is a stick, and then you have a box in the middle, and the box is the this is the open price for the day or the period. So this is where the price started. So let's look at, if we're talking about gold prices, and gold prices, let's say it's 4,000. So, and in the beginning, start of the day, the price was here, it was at 4,000 for example, and then it was moving up and down, it was moving up and down, it was going up and down, somewhere here, moving. So the candlestick is just gonna get bigger and bigger. The body of the candlestick is gonna get bigger, and then when the price of the gold is going to finish at the end of the period or end of the day, this is where it's gonna finish. Okay, this is where the body is. This is the closing price, and this is the opening price. So this is the opening price and this is the closing price. Okay, now what are these two places? So these are also the other 2 price points. One is the highest price in that day, and then this is the lowest price in that day. So what that means is that you've got 4 price points: the highest for the day at the very top, at the lowest price point at the very bottom, and then the opening price where the body is, and the closing price of the item. With this you can see if the stick of the candlestick is long or short, and then you can understand what prices have been for that period just by looking at it very quickly. So let's look at the chart here. Now I've got this chart here. Now this is just a line graph, and now every broker has option to change the price. So the price diagram, the chart. So I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna go to, so right now it's just like a line chart, but now I'm gonna click candles, and I'm gonna just do 60 seconds and apply. So what this does is it's going to make everything a candlestick. Okay, so there may be this one. Okay, so let's just do 5 seconds. Okay, that's better. So when I look at this, you can see that there are candlesticks now, and I can really quickly see I mean, for example, over here, that this was a starting point, this was the closing point, and then this is the high and low in that time. A lot of places they would tell you that the price point is in the day. That's wrong. It's price point of the wick in that time frame. So this time frame is 5 seconds, and if I zoom out, I have to change this here, and then if I do 60 seconds, then in that 60 seconds, in that time, this is what happened in the 60 seconds. Okay, so you can see that the opening price was here, the closing price was there, and this was the low and this is the high in 60 seconds, not in the day. Because if I look at the timeline here, it is 12:38, 12:39 and 12:40. So this is 60 seconds after every 1 minute. And because this is a fast trading platform, they have only 60 seconds charts at the moment, but you can also you can go also on another website. I can just show you now. So here I've got the chart section open from the easytradingschool.com. You can go there. There are free charts there, and you can see that here we have candles on, and you can see that for example, this candle has this stick. It's called a wick or a shadow, but I just call it a stick. And then this is the body. So this is the highest point in that period, lowest point, opening price and closing price. So this gives us some idea in which direction the price might be moving. When you have a long stick, that means the price is gonna go downwards. That is happening. When you have a short stick, that means the price is gonna go upwards. So it's always the opposite, because when the trend is shifting, it's always going the other way. You have a long stick there, but in this case it's reverse, so it didn't necessarily go downwards, it went upwards, but then it went downwards. So the trend was more or less about the same. So it's but you know, there's no 100% to understand, to predict, basically, because that's what trading is about. Is about taking a best guess, and this is how you can read the charts. So here I'm gonna show you another example here. So exactly 4 price points, high price of the period, not the day. So this is wrong. I'm going to delete that. So let's just delete this closing. Okay, no, wait, that will be undo. So highest price of the day, that's wrong. This is wrong, and this is wrong, and this is wrong. So it's a price in that period only, it's not for the whole day. So we've talked about the 4 price points here, the opening price and closing price, and this changes depending on which direction it's going. So this can either become open price or closing price. Okay, so if it's going downwards, then it's open price. If it's going upwards, it's close price. I hope you got understanding of the candlestick chart in this video. If you want to learn more, you can buy my trading course. If you go to the link, or easytradingschool.com, you can find the link, and the course is on sale at the moment. You can, in that course, you have over 40 videos explaining you from the beginning to trading point, how you can trade, and how you can use trading skills to trade online. We also have, if you don't want to learn how to do it yourself, there are also auto trading system which you can sign up to. For that, you can also go to the link in the website and see which trading system is working good at the moment. We put them on the website, so you can, because they always are changing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another update, in the next update on the easytradingschool.com. And I'll see you again. Thank you.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.